Okay, welcome back to another segment from the roofing
corner.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about what we did here at our most recent job. Now this was a repair. We came in and the carpenter bees had eaten up the front half of that gable. So as you saw in the earlier photos, our paint team came and made the repair. Once they repaired it, they painted over it. It looks beautiful. You can't tell that there was any damage. But additionally, what our gutter crew did was they installed SureFlow gutter covers. You're probably watching that right now, and that's this beautiful perforated cover. This thing's amazing. You'll never have to clean your gutters again if you go with a SureFlow gutter cover system, right? Forget about getting on your ladder and falling off and having your wife screaming at you, honey, get off the ladder, right? Because once you're covered with a SureFlow system, you're set. You never have to clean your gutters again, right, Renee?
That's right.
What do you think about this SureFlow system?
Well, I love it. On this case, we installed this specific profile because we haven't inspected the gutter system. And originally, that gutter was installed to don't install the covers. Sometimes we install a different type, but on this case, this is the one we have to install because the gutter was installed according to be with this type of covers.
Yeah, so depending on the profile of your gutters, how they're installed, you want to make sure that you hire a qualified gutter crew or gutter team, because you just can't put any old cover on any old gutter system. That could create a whole set of other issues, right?
Yes.
Do you want water in your basement after your gutter covers come on?
No.
Of course you don't, right? So what do? Who do you call?
Adamson Roofing Company.
That's right, for all your gutter cover needs, all your gutter needs, your painting, your siding, and most of all, what's the main thing they should call us for?
Roofing.
That's right. If you need a new roof, give us a call. We'll get you taken care of. I'm Len.
And I'm Rene.
And give us a call at 678-424-1919 and we'll get you scheduled. Thanks for watching.